GST, a primary provider of products and services in fire and security industry, is recognized as one top brand in China. Since joining the family of the UTCFS in August of 2009, GST is keen on providing the most efficient one-stop solution of fire and security system to both domestic and international customers. As a leading company, GST has built up a strong R&D team engaged in product development and innovation. Utilizing the R&D center in Beijing and Shenzhen, as well as the postdoctoral research center in Qinhuangdao, GST is contributing to the continuous development of new leading technology and products. In terms of energy saving, environmental friendly, local carbon, etc. With more than 20 advanced production lines and sound quality control system, GST has become one of the biggest and most advanced production bases for electronic products in buildings. Along with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, GST also obtained various national and international certificates, including LPCB, UL, CE, SAI, CCCF, etc. In domestic market, GST has set up more than 140 branch offices all over China to provide in-time supports. In the meanwhile, GST system and services have been introduced and installed in more than 80 countries, including Asia, Europe, Africa, America, Oceania, and Middle East, etc. GST system has been installed in so many projects in the fields of governments, public services, transportation, banks, etc. Moreover, GST is able to provide reliable products and services to the outstanding products for the events of Beijing Olympic Games in 2008 and Shanghai World Expo in 2010.
GST joined the UTC Fire Security in 2009. We have introduced more advanced product technology, total quality management system, and the UTC operation system. We look forward to provide better service to our customers. And we also aim to bring GST to be a world-class brand through the UTC Global Sales Channel. We will continue to build and upgrade our technology to better support the safety and security industry. Protecting people and property is always our mission.
In the future development, GST will always stick to the core value of people, customer, quality, innovation, and integrity. We will continuously contribute to the development of a trusted brand and work for a better and safer world.